In a cozy little meadow, where the tall grass gently sways, the sun begins to say goodbye at the end of a happy day. Deep in a burrow, soft and round, a little bunny named Pip stirs, without a sound. "Time to say goodnight, my dear," says Mama with a smile so warm. "Let's visit all our forest friends, before the stars swarm." So out hops Pip, beneath a sky of soft and fading blue, on a gentle goodnight journey, with the evening dew. First he meets his friend Squirrel, tucking away her very last treat. "Good night, sweet Pip," Squirrel yawns with a wave, curling up snug in her cozy tree cave. Next, under a mushroom, small and round, Pip finds Hedgehog snoozing on the ground. Hedgehog curls into a gentle ball, whispering goodnight to one and all. Pip hops on past a sparkling stream, where moonlight dances like a dream. There floats Mama Duck upon the water still, with her sleepy ducklings tucked beneath her wing, until tiny fireflies begin to glow, lighting up the path where Pip will go. High in a tree, wide awake and wise, Pip spots Old Owl with round bright eyes. "Sweet dreams, little Pip," Owl hoots soft and low. "I will watch the forest while you sleep, you know." Up a little hill, so soft and round, more and more stars begin to be found. In the grass, curled up so neat, a baby deer rests her tired little feet. Mother deer nuzzles her fawn so near, whispering softly, "Sleep well, my dear." Now the moon glows round and bright, painting the forest in silver light. Pip sits and watches the stars twinkle and gleam, like tiny lanterns lighting up his dream. A gentle wind hums soft and low, nature's lullaby, sweet and slow. Now Pip hops home, his journey done, back to the burrow. Friends said goodnight to every one. Mama tucks him into his soft mossy bed, and kisses goodnight upon his sleepy head. Pip's little eyes blink slow and sweet, as dreams begin to gently greet. Mama hums a lullaby soft and low, as the whole forest settles, calm and slow. Squirrel and Hedgehog, Duck and Fawn, all fast asleep, till the break of dawn. So close your eyes, my little one, too, and drift to sleep the whole night through. The end. Sweet dreams.